Okay, so this is a demonstration video for Enhancement 3. So we're going to go here over to the My Account. So here is the login form. So if we go here, if we hit sign up, we can head to the registration form. If we head back to My Account, we'll go back to login form. So all of that works. So just to demonstrate the wave here. So the wave on the login form, we can see that everything's green, everything works just fine. The registration form is the same way. Everything checks out here. Refresh. Head back here. And then here is just example the mobile view. And then if we switch to registration, okay. So now let's head back to login. So here we're going to validate CSS. So all the CSS checks out here. And CSS on this one checks out here. They both check out just because they're on the same CSS file, so nothing crazy there. If we validate HTML, we can see everything works there. If we validate here, we can see everything works there. Now this is a view of all the CSS that is coming in. So we see we have like the fonts, the main CSS file. This is from the register form. And then if we head back to my account, we'll basically get the same thing just because they're both connected. But yeah, but besides that, that is a example of the demonstration for Enhancement 3.